Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Director Pygmy Octopus with navy head like this, the cute octopus in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic for the spring season. And at this event, you can catch the new fish or new octopus like this that looks like this with the glasses and then with the cute hat like this. And to catch this octopus you can just fish it at the whale sea, and it spawns all time and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy or rainbow. So just go to the whale sea area, this one over here, this one, just go to this area and then just use your fish attractor or maybe mermaid perfumes to increase the chances to get this octopus. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.